Good day everyone, working out these multiple choice past papers for CSEC. If it took a speedboat 9 hours to travel a distance of 1080 kilometers, what was its average speed in kilometer per hour? So speed is equal to distance divided by time. So we have a distance of 1080 kilometers divided by a time of 9 hours. So let's do this division. So 9 into 10 is 1. Remainder 1, 9 into 18, 2. 9 into 0, 0. And the unit is kilometer per hour. So answer is 120, that's C. Let's move on to number 2. The distance around a lake is 8 kilometers. On a map, this distance around a lake is represented by a length of 2 centimeters. The scale on the map is, so let's convert kilometers to centimeters. So we have to multiply 8 by 1000 to change into meters, and then we have to multiply by 100 to change into centimeters. So we'll have 8 multiplied by 1 and 5 zeros, okay, which would be 800,000 centimeters. So we have 2 centimeters to 800,000, and we reduced to its lowest terms. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 8, 4. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So we have 1 to 400,000. Our answer is D. Number 3. An aircraft leaves A at 1600 hours and arrives at B at 1930 hours, traveling at an average speed of 550 kilometers per hour. A and B are in the same time zone. The distance from A to B in kilometers is, so let's find out how much time it took. So 1930 subtract 1600 will give 330. Okay, so that this translates to 3.5 hours. So the journey took 3.5 hours. So we have the average speed of 550 kilometers per hour. Now we want to find distance. So the distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Alright, so let's do that. We have the speed of 550. We are multiplying by 3.5. Let's change 3.5 to improper fraction. So we have 550 over 1 multiplied by 2 3s are 6 and 1 is 7 over 2. And we will this out. 2 into 2, 1. 2 into 4, 2. And 1, 2 into 14, 7. And 1, 2 into 10, 5. So 275 multiplied by 7. Let's work that out. 7 5s are 35. 7 7s are 49 and 3, 52. 7 2s are 14 and 5 is 19. So we get 1925 kilometers. Okay, so our answer is D. Let's move on to number 4. We have a diagram showing, in the diagram, triangle ABC is mapped onto triangle A prime, B prime, C prime, where O is the center of the enlargement. What is the scale factor of the enlargement? So we have an enlargement going on here, and we want to find out what is the factor. By how much did A prime, B prime, C prime get bigger when A, B, C was mapped onto A prime, B prime, C prime? What's the ratio of the sides? That's what we want to find out. So AC has a length of 2 units. Okay, I get from here. So this is 2 units long. A prime, C prime has a length of 4 units. So I can see that I multiplied 2 by 4. I multiplied 2 by 2 to give 4. Okay, so therefore the scale factor of the enlargement would be 4 divided by 2. 2 into 4 is 2. Our answer is D. Let's move on to number 5. Given that y varies directly as x and y equal 19 when x equal 152, which of the following equations represents the relationship between x and y? So this is direct proportion. So y is directly proportional to x, and that means that that y will be equal to a constant multiplied by x, k times x, where k is a number, and therefore k will be equal to y over x when we divide both sides by x. So we have made k the subject of the formula here. And let's now put in our data. Y is 19 and x is 152. So we have 19 divided by 152, and 19 can go into 152 8 times. So we have 1 over 8. So k is 1/8. Alright. We now substitute this back into our equation, and we will get y equals, instead of kx, we'll have 1/8 multiplied by x. Okay, so this is the relationship between y and x. We first had to work out the constant k. Our answer is C. Y is equal to 1/8 times x. And these are our answers. Have a very safe and happy day.